If you need to recover your Simmons First National account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Simmons First National website. Go to the official Simmons First National website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available for users who cannot access their accounts. Step 3. Enter your account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method, such as receiving a verification link via email. Follow the prompts to receive the link. Step 5. Reset your password. Check your email for the verification link sent by Simmons First National. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to access your Simmons First National account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.